Hey everyone, I am Shivani Vasist and this is our QA session in which we are going to have discussion on the questions based on making of the Indian Constitution. So let's start. Who gave the idea of Constituent Assembly for the first time for the formation of Constitution of India? So the answer is A. Swaraj Party in 1934. Next, who in the beginning presented the idea of Indian Constituent Assembly in pre-independence day? As we know, option is C. M. N. Roy. Next, the proposal for framing the Constitution of India by an elected Constituent Assembly was made by. आंसर is C. क्रिप्स मिशन. इसमें डी ऑप्शन है ब्रिटिश कैबिनेट डेलीगेशन. देखिए, क्रिप्स प्रपोजल और कैबिनेट मिशन प्लान दोनों ही बात करते हैं कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली के मेंबर्स इलेक्टेड होने चाहिए, बट जो फर्स्ट जिसने बात की थी वो थे क्रिप्स प्रपोजल. सो द आंसर इज सी. क्रिप्स प्रपोजल. नेक्स्ट, हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग पर्सन वाज नॉट अ मेंबर ऑफ कैबिनेट मिशन? आंसर इज ए. विलियम वुड is not a member of cabinet mission. Next, Indian Constituent Assembly was established under cabinet mission. Next, through which plan was the Constituent Assembly created? Cabinet mission. Next, member of Constituent Assembly who drafted the Constitution of India. So answer is C. elected by Legislative Assembly of various provinces. देखिए, as per cabinet mission plan जो हमारी Constituent Assembly है उसकी total strength 389 है, जिसे उन्होंने 2 parts में divide किया था, ब्रिटिश प्रोविंस एंड प्रिंसली स्टेट. प्रिंसली स्टेट से जो मेंबर्स थे वो नॉमिनेटेड थे और जो ब्रिटिश इंडिया से जो मेंबर्स थे वो इलेक्टेड थे बाय द मेंबर्स ऑफ प्रोविंशियल असेंबली. सो सी इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट, हु वाज द फर्स्ट इलेक्टेड चेयरमैन ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली? डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद. नेक्स्ट, हु चेयर्ड द फर्स्ट मीटिंग ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली? डॉक्टर सच्चिदानंद सिन्हा. नेक्स्ट, डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद वाज इलेक्टेड द चेयरमैन ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली इन December 1946. On 11 December 1946, Dr. Rajendra Prasad was elected as a chairman of the Constituent Assembly. Next, Constituent Assembly of India was established on 9 December 1946. That is C option. Next, in which meeting of the Constituent Assembly of India did Jawaharlal Nehru laid down the objective resolution? That is 5th meeting on 13 December 1946. Next, with reference to the proposal of Cripps Mission, consider the following statement. First, the Constituent Assembly would have members nominated by the provincial assemblies as well as the princely state. This is wrong statement. प्रिंसली स्टेट से जो मेंबर्स थे वो नॉमिनेटेड थे, लेकिन जो प्रोविंशियल असेंबलीज से जो मेंबर्स थे वो नॉमिनेटेड नहीं थे, वो इलेक्टेड थे. सो दिस इज रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट. सेकंड, एनी प्रोविंस व्हिच इज नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड टू एक्सेप्ट अ न्यू कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन वुड हैव द राइट टू साइन अ सेपरेट एग्रीमेंट विद ब्रिटेन रिगार्डिंग इट्स फ्यूचर स्टेटस. दिस इज राइट स्टेटमेंट. सो द आंसर इज सी. 2 ओनली. नेक्स्ट, what are true about Constituent Assembly? Constituent Assembly first meeting was held on 9 December 1946. Correct. Its first permanent president was Dr. Sachchidanand Sinha. No, Sachchidanand Sinha हमारे Constituent Assembly के temporary president थे. So this is wrong statement. Muslim League boycotted the first meeting of Constituent Assembly. Correct. So the option is C. First and third. Next, which of the following statement is or are true in relation to Constituent Assembly? Our assembly are based on adult suffrage? No. Our assembly was based on limited franchise. The assembly was a result of direct election? No. The assembly was a multi-party body? Yes. Assembly worked through various committees? Yes. So the option is B. 3 and 4. Next, the resolution for giving a constitution to India was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on. Answer is C. 22 January 1947. Our Constituent. Next, who proposed the preamble before the drafting committee of the constitution? Answer is A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B.N. Roy असेंबली के एक एडवाइजर थे जिन्होंने ड्राफ्ट रेडी किया था, बट जो प्रियम्बल है उसे प्रपोज जवाहरलाल नेहरू करते हैं बिफोर द ड्राफ्टिंग कमिटी. नेक्स्ट, हाउ मच टाइम द कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली टुक टू फ्रेम द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया? A. 2 years 11 months and 18 days. Next, as per cabinet mission plan in the Constituent Assembly to decide allotted member seat in each province, one representative was in ratio to which population? C. 10 lakh. Next, when did Nehru introduce the objective resolution in the Constituent Assembly? Answer is C. 13 December 1946. So this is our QA session on the topic making of the Indian Constitution.